Hello guys, this is your mommy Queen's kitchen. Today we are going to be preparing our pasta spaghetti. We have here our grounded meat. I get my tomatoes, my Italian tomatoes. Today I have here my red onions, guys. We are going to be preparing pasta this beautiful afternoon. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Mommy Queen is here. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are going to be preparing our pasta this beautiful afternoon. Please stay, don't go anywhere, stay and watch. Thank you. Hello guys, this is my red onions, my grounded beef. This is beef, my grounded beef. As you guys can see, we have our Maggi day here, salt day here. Me I know they speak English. Me I speak pidgin English. Mommy Queen's kitchen is pidgin English. As you guys can see, our oil don't dey for fire. It don't dey for fire. This is our spaghetti bolognese. I have here my ginger powder, on my white pepper, my garlic, curry. First of all, we are going to be frying. I'm going to be doing the frying of the meat first. Guys, this is our Jamie pasta, our Jamie food. Yeah, I decided to cook Jamie food for my children today, and they love Jamie food, guys. This is your Mommy Queen's kitchen. Please just like this video, thumbs up for Mommy Queen's kitchen. If you never subscribe for Mommy Queen's kitchen, what are you waiting for, my brother and sister? Go and subscribe, like my video, follow this Mommy Queen family. You are not going to regret it at all. We carry different yummy food. Come your domot. We cook Africa food. I cook Jamie food. Guys, we do many things in this my kitchen. Okay, guys, this is our Jamie food. It's almost ready. Guys, thumbs up for the thumbs up. Like this video. You not get the way the video. Just like my video. Share the video. As you do that, God bless you. Okay, guys, this is the finishing of our Jamie food, our Jamie pasta. We don't finish now. We are going to be eating it right now. As you guys can see, our plate is here. This is our lunch food, guys. Come, I'm inviting you all. Come and eat with us. Come and eat with my family. Guys, thumbs up for this video. Like my video. As you do that, Almighty God will bless you. Our meat is here. This is our bolognese spaghetti. It's ready. It's ready to eat. It's so yummy, guys. Just look at that. It's very yummy, I'm telling you. Our spaghetti bolognese. This is bolognese. Guys, thank you for watching. May God bless you. I say bye from now. One love to you all. One love. Mommy Queen love you so much, but God love you most. I say bye.